Wow, it's so still today. And the garlic is just growing beautifully. Steve watered the garden yesterday. You can see all kinds of things growing. Chives, some little parsley and celery and tarragon. And that's our scarecrow. I call it the water witch. And it's a motion detected sprayer to keep out the deer. And I think it works. It's got me a few times. But yeah, the garlic is amazing. There it goes off. I can tell I'm walking by it. And there's the rows of lettuce. Do you think we have enough romaine? It's something everybody likes, so we'll share it. Steve's weeding bucket. He's a meticulous weeder and a great garden partner. Oh, I better step back. I'm gonna get wet.